I need y'all to understand something profound, the law of polarity. And in the law of polarity, one of the laws of Tahuti, explaining that law is like and unalike are the same. Just different extremes of the same thing. Different polarities of the same thing. The way you have a magnet that has an attract side and a repel side. Same magnet. So when you understand the law of polarity, truly, number one, if like and alike are the same, then if you understand that law, there's no such thing as a debate. That's number one. Because you can make an argument for anything. Two sides of a coin is still one coin. So there's always going to be two sides to the story. All differences can be reconciled. That's under the law of polarity. Like and unlike are the same. So now let me hip you to a little bit more science. If white people can make you think that they're your opposite, and like and alike are the same, you just made them gods. Because God and the devil are the same. Good and evil are the same. It's all about perspective. So if you say you are God, and they say I'm your opposite, you made them the same thing. So it's a badge of honor to call the white man the devil if you're God. Because what you're doing is made like and unlike, which are the same. You put them on the opposite polarity. What you need to realize is they are not your opposite. Ignorance is your opposite. You would not say a monkey is your opposite. If I say monkeys are now fucking doggy style, now they're fucking missionary style, you would laugh at it on YouTube but would not give a fuck and say it's the Illuminati because you don't see a monkey, I hope not, as your motherfucking opposite. Y'all got to remember, this is about genetics, and genetically, those are not your opposites. They're not your opposites. The opposite of you as a human and a spiritualist, as the God, as a conscious person, is actually the animal self. So you're actually fighting the animal self. And that's why you'll see most of these animals with Egypt's half man, half animal, because they're talking about polarity. They're talking about two ends of polarity. It's not white people and black people. It's the animal in black people that is the opposite, which are alike. That's why each of these animals have spiritual powers. Birds fly, monkeys could climb, and all of these animals, dogs can see and hear and smell. All of these superpowers are in the animal because the animals are your true unalike, your true brothers, your true polarity. Get what I'm saying? Now, you can say white people are part of animals, but they're something different entirely. You get what I'm saying? They are not your absolute opposite. Your animal self is your opposite. That's why you have zodiac signs. Me, my humanity is Taurus the bull, stubborn and all that shit. The higher self is the higher aspect of it, which is Osiris, let's just say, in this particular case. Or whatever bull, Dionysus, whatever these bull deities, some of them still half human, half man. To kind of show you your opposite polarity is actually your animal nature, which is what you're fighting. That's what Set represents, and that's what Horus represents. The fight within you. They are not your opposite. When you make them your polar opposite, you make them the same. That's the trick. Not by my standards, by the law of Tahuti. So we need to get a little bit better with these arguing and this back and forth. All you got to do is use your science to do that.